Welcome to this tutorial on tagging and creating checkboxes in the Prep Tag Editor. Checkboxes allow users to select multiple options from a list, making them essential for interactive form fields and accessibility. To tag and create checkboxes, first, enable Draw mode by clicking the pencil icon in the Prep Tag Editor. Next, click the Form Creation icon to open the Form Elements tagging options and select the checkbox option. Then, draw a bounding box around the desired area to place the checkbox. To configure the checkbox, enter the field name. Add a tooltip in the Properties section. Once all checkboxes are created, group them into a paragraph tag. To do this, select a checkbox and its corresponding label. Click the plus symbol button. Select P for paragraph to properly structure the form field. Alternatively, press Shift plus X to group tags under a paragraph tag. That's it. You've successfully tagged and created checkboxes in the Prep Tag Editor. Thank you.